In this video, you will learn to integrate Jotform with Twitter. So guys, we are going to create a form with Jotform which is going to act as a virtual assistant for you, and as and when any person is going to fill that form, a tweet will be shared from your Twitter handle automatically. So guys, suppose that you have a person who creates content for your social media handles like Twitter, and you do not want to provide that person your credentials of your official social media accounts. So you just have to create this form and share this form with that person. And as and when he is going to fill that form, a tweet will be shared on your behalf from your Twitter account automatically. And we can set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let me show you how. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I have pasted the same link in the description. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now, and after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is going to look like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. So here, let me give a name to this workflow as Jotform to Twitter. Okay. So you can give any other name as well, right? And after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So in the trigger, guys, you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So trigger event is the event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or consequence of the trigger, right? So in our use case, the trigger application would be Jotform, and the trigger event would be form submission, and the action would be is to share the post on Twitter, right? So first of all, let me search for Jotform here in the trigger. Here it is selected. And the trigger event would be new response from the form. And here you can see it has given us this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to integrate that form of Jotform with this trigger. Okay. So to do that, you need to just follow these instructions written here. Let me show you directly. So guys, you can see this is my Jotform's dashboard, and here I have created this form named as Twitter post. Let me show this form to you. This is the form I have created. Okay. And here you have to click on more. And from here you need to click on settings. And under the form settings on the left hand side panel, you will find this integrations tab. Click on it. Under integrations, you will find this webhooks option here. Click on webhooks, and here you can see an integration is already up and running here. So let me remove this integration. Okay, so let's make a new integration here. Search for webhooks, and here it will show you this field, add webhook field. So here you have to paste this webhook URL that you got here. So just click on copy from here, paste this webhook URL here, then click on complete integration. And here you can see the integration is ready, right? And here you can see as I have copied this webhook URL from the workflow, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you can perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to fill in the form manually now, only once, and the details of the form submission will be captured here in this response section as the test data to set up this automation further. Okay. So let me fill the form, guys. So here you can see in this form, we have three things: the title of the post, the tweet that you want to post, and an image. Okay. So let me fill in these details. So guys, I have filled the form like this. You can see I have put this title. Okay. This is the tweet I want to share, and I have uploaded an image as well. Now let me click on submit here, and you can see the form is getting submitted. So you can see, guys, it is showing thank you, your submission has been received. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. So here you can see, guys, we have received the response here like this, and it is showing here the content I have filled in the form. You can see the quote, the title, and the image also is here. You can see this is the image, right? Now guys, I want to use this data to create a post on Twitter. So in this actions tab, we are going to connect with Twitter. Search for Twitter here. Okay. And in the action event, select create tweet option, create tweet. After this, click on this connect button, and from here connect with Twitter by selecting add new connection option, then click on connect with Twitter. And from this window, you have to give some authorization access to Pabbly Connect to your Twitter account. So click on authorize app, and you can see we are getting connected. The authorization is successful and we are now connected. Okay. And here it is asking for the message that you want to post as a tweet on Twitter. So we are going to use this test data that we have received here in the first step, in the trigger step from the form submission. So here you can see we have received this label, this raw request Q24 type A24 label. Okay. And here we have the text that I have submitted in the form. So I'm going to map this text here in this message field. Just click here and the trigger step will show up here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find all the data right here. So from here you can map both of these labels. Let me map the title as well. Then let me put an enter and let me map the code. Okay, right? Now you can check your connection with Twitter by clicking on save and send test request, and this tweet will be created here from your Twitter handle. Okay, and guys, you have to map these labels only once. You have to set up this automation only once. After that, whenever you are going to receive a form submissions, these labels are going to be changed, updated automatically, and new tweets will be shared from your Twitter handle. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. All right, and this is the response we have received. Let's check in our Twitter account if we got a new tweet. So I'm refreshing my profile. All right, this is the profile I'm using, and here you can see, guys, this is a new tweet we have. Quote by Charles Bukowski: "You begin saving the world by saving one man at a time." This is the same code that I have filled in the form and mapped the labels here inside this workflow like this. Okay. Right, so we are done setting up the automation. It is working fine, and you have to set up this only once. After that, as and when the form submission is going to be received, it is going to start working and tweets will be shared automatically. And you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.